guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is February Saturday, February 22. Nakalimutan ko na yung mga date. And to this video, mag-unbox lang tayo guys ng 2-in-1 LED UV lamp para sa kamay natin guys. Actually, nabuksan na to. My husband already opened it inside the car. Katuloy ang kamot guys na this is part of my another part of my Valentine's Day presents. Ayan. This is cute. It's very handy guys. Look at that. Meron siyang mga ganon. Right? And meron siyang timer yata to. 120s, 90, and then 60. Yes, for sure. And then it comes with this one. Parang charge. This is chargeable. Charge lang yata sa ito. And it has a lifetime warranty. May lifetime warranty siya. So, Horrific UV nail lamp. User manual. Ayan. Meron siyang manual guys. Ayan, diba? This is cool. So, ayan. Ito guys. Mga instruction niya. Ayan. See? So, di na magtahip-tahip ang ako ang bana. Di na siya magtahip-tahip, magpauga. Kaya siya may tig-color sa ako ang is the one who did my toenails every time. Magkulay-kulay ako sa ating kuko. No, sa tiil. So, cautions. Please read the instruction carefully before using the lamp. Please use the lamp correctly, not allow any liquid into the machine, otherwise damage may occur. When timer button out of function, please don't use. Please pull out the connecting line when leaving. Okay, please not to use the nail lamp when connecting line damage. Please not to turn that machines exist 300S. I have no idea what is S. Never look. Radiation. Naadiri guys, never look directly at the UV light and exposure in a long time. UV radiation may cause injury to eye and skin. Maova. So ayan lang guys, ang kaniyang So mumurahin lang to guys. How much was it, Han? I think less than 20 bucks, yeah, right? So, stuff like that, guys. Ganon lang siya. I-redeem ako ba? Mahadlok ang tabi. Ayan lang, guys. I think I'm gonna need charger here. I'm gonna use my... Hang on na. So, ang meron niya guys is this one lang USB, so I'm gonna use this one, my charger. So i-try natin guys, ha? Let's try. Saan mag-try? Here. Sa kusina tayo guys, mag-try. I-try natin. Ito na ating i-plug. Ano ba talaga? Yan na guys. Tada! Pretty cool. May minus mo dyan. Ayun. 60 seconds. Off. On. Off. So, ayun na guys. I'm so excited to use this one. Sa ngayon, okay pa naman yung ano ko, fingernails at saka toenails kasi kakagawa ko lang ng kamay ko. So, that's all for today guys. This is only a short video. Ayan, thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye.